How to remove a Google account from YouTube app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove a Google account from YouTube app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course open up your YouTube app. After you've opened up your YouTube app, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you can head over to your bottom right corner, that is your profile. And after you're here, you should see different options such as Google account. And with Google account, you should find your option. You can tap on your account option right there and you will see all of your accounts available in your device. Now to remove this very Google account from YouTube, what you'll need to do is tap on this option, that is the gear icon on the top right. Tap on switch account. And after you tap on switch account, on the bottom you should find an option that says manage account on this device. Tap on that, and after you tap on that, you'll see different options such as all of your accounts on this device. Now to remove an Google account, simply tap on remove from this device and tap on remove. After you do that, that very Google account will get removed from your YouTube app. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. And that is all for this video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.